7 of the best used hybrid cars under $25,000. 2020 Kia Niro. Right off the bat, the Kia Niro is just an outstanding value. That model year comes with a slew of desirable features. That includes an EPA-estimated 52 miles per gallon in the city if you go with the LX trim. The Niro is also available with outstanding safety features like adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, and lane keep assist. It's a very well-rounded SUV, and since Kia will let warranty coverage transfer to the second owner, you might be able to find one with factory coverage still intact. – 2019 Toyota RAV4. We go from one great choice to another with the RAV4. 2019 model year units can be had for this price, and we love that AWD is available too. While not as efficient as the Niro, the RAV4 still delivers an EPA-estimated 40 miles per gallon combined. It also offers more space, a little more refinement, and a bit more capability than the Kia too. Finally, they're a great value in that they've depreciated quite a bit in just a few years. – 2017 Honda Accord Hybrid. As far as hybrid sedans go, the Accord might be the biggest measuring stick of the bunch. You'll have to likely settle for a 2017 model year or older, but that's still well worth it in terms of features and capability. The hybrid powertrain under the hood is good for 212 horsepower and 48 miles per gallon combined. Perhaps most notably, the Accord Hybrid handles exceptionally well for what it is. – 2020 Ford Fusion Hybrid. The Ford Fusion can't keep up with the Accord in the Benz or in terms of overall fuel economy, but it's a nicer place to spend time thanks to exceptional interior build quality. From the seats to the technology, we really like the package offered in the Fusion Hybrid. It can include supple leather upholstery, integrated navigation, 12 speakers, and Ford's excellent Sync 3 infotainment system. It'll still save you cash at the pump too, with a 42 miles per gallon combined rating. – 2022 Toyota Prius Prime. No list of top hybrids could really be complete without the Prius, could it? What's more is that many different types of Prius are available at this price. Some wild deals are out there too, like this 2022 model with under 10,000 miles for under $25,000. Still, it's not the only one. There are other Prius Primes, as well as the Prius C and the regular Prius, all of which make for what is now legendary performance as a hybrid commuter vehicle. 2019 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. The Ioniq is available as a plug-in hybrid or as a more conventional hybrid, and we like both. Both are easy to find for well below our budget, and each one offers an exceptional blend of technology, comfort, and quality. What's more is that just like the Niro, the Ioniq comes with an awesome transferable warranty. In addition, it was named a top safety pick by this, and it comes with a bunch of excellent advanced driver assistance systems to boot. – 2021 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Take everything that we love about the Prius and apply it here too. The Corolla looks a little more conventional but is still packed with advanced technology. They can also be found with low mileage at well below our budget price. In addition, you can expect to see a huge savings at the gas station as the Corolla Hybrid gets north of 50 miles per gallon in every setting according to the EPA.